Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome to the Aproko Show here on 101 TV, and as you already know, my name is Irene Perico. Yes my people, the news we are bringing a day very sad. Our very own ex-president, President Jerry John Rawlings, just passed away. What a pity. My people, this man, he died, and the thing now, you know, his mama die before him die. See, he get wetin they talk about mother and pikin. They say it good make pikin they bury mama, but this one is still dey very painful because the mother not even up to 3 weeks where the mama pass. This man carry all this heavy heart, this burden, this pain. Now so in come die. And according to the news, they say na coronavirus. No. Now wait till they tell us be that. This man do many good things for people. And because of in good action, in good deeds, people not even like on that period because all these politicians where they corrupt, you know, they take nonsense from them at all. Before anything, make I tell you that the things we don't do. This our own very ex-president in the military leader and subsequential politician. And he ruled the country, this very country, from 1981 to 2001. This man was very good. Him be good person. And as he be now, in death, can they pain everybody. And I they give John Mahama, I beg, I give you 12 because now I don't hear say him don't hold on the campaign. As soon as no election, they go on. Him just hold him down because of this very important person. My condolences, sir. I am very heartbroken. My people, I don't know how they feel for this matter, but this man served this country very well. Now, one of the people where, if you they remember president, you know, say we been get president for Ghana. I don't get much to tell you now. Make I know share your condolences, any news, any message you get to give. My condolences to your family, sir. Even if you are no longer seeing me, I deal with you. My people, here now 101 TV, and now here we they bring you latest updates, latest gist for everything where they happen. Yes, don't forget, subscribe, share this video, make everybody know what they happen, make them know what don't happen to this great man, and comment. See ya.